All right, guys, we are back. It is the next day. Tristan actually checked the battery on there with the tender, and it never got above 60% charge. So,
and it said failure at one point before I left.
So it was just dead like we thought. We took it out, and it has actually expanded on the sides, and it was leaking a little bit. So so like we guessed, it was just dead after 6 months of not doing it. So
the battery that was rusted wasn't rusted like that before.
Yeah, so there's rust under it too. So we're gonna go ahead, and we got a new battery, and we're gonna go ahead and see if it starts. Here, do you want to do the honors?
Sure.
Start the car. Rev it to the moon.
Yeah, do it. Full of John.
Starts, gotta redline it.
Rev it to 8250.
Woo!
Now it did the revving by itself.
Yeah, I wonder if the throttle's stuck open or something.
It doesn't look like. So now this is normal.
Yeah, just revved pretty high, but it's fine. It started. That's all that matters. Top swap completed, guys. Thanks for watching. You know, like, subscribe, comment.
Buy some goddamn stickers.
I didn't see any leaking fuel.
So hey, it started, boys. It actually did it.
Yeah, I did it.
I'm gonna look underneath.
It's a winner.
Oh God, it's pouring.
Oh my God, guys, it's going everywhere. Just kidding, it didn't.
Oh God.
I'm
Alright.
kind of happy.
All right, let's put the wheels on it and roll it to the junkyard.
You should start it up and put it in gear.
Oh.
No.
Oh no.
No, just see if the wheels or the.
I want to make sure it idles normal before he does that.
Yeah.
Plus, if I'm gonna put it into gear, I want transmission fluid in.
So the tune you got, was it for the 3.4?
Yep.
Okay.
It was for everything that's on it now.
Okay. Well, I mean,
Let's start her again.
I would say start again, see how it goes. I don't think there's any reason it shouldn't.
Did you leave it
Or do you want to prime it some more? We can just take the plugs off and we're just gonna go.
It's primed right now.
Okay.
That didn't sound good.
What do you
What
mean?
do you mean? That sounded fine.
No. That sounded like knocking or some kind of like.
What?
That
No.
did not
Are you
sound
okay? You know what you're talking about? That sounds fine.
It sounds perfectly fine.
Listen, it's not going to sound exactly how it used to. It's a different engine.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's going to sound different.
Just
Not the same.
just let it go.
Nothing about this engine is similar.
Yeah, the smoke is just the oil on the headers. It'll settle down.
My fucking air conditioner started and then it started blowing in the smoky air.
Turn that shit off.
I did.
It'll burn it off.
Oh no, the paint. The paint's starting to bubble. The paint's starting to bubble.
Oh really?
Yeah.
On the headers.
Yeah. The fuck?
Whatever. But
That's what's smoking.
Garbo paint.
so it looked
Don't worry about the smoke, guys. Literally, it's just the paint and oil that might be burning out.
it,
So god awful.
it looked like there might be a little boost leak. So it could be some of these fittings.
Yeah. That is great. Yeah, that probably needs to be tightened down.
These look good.
Yeah, I tightened these ones down. They're really tight. I think it could be that. Like, it is kind of hitting there, right? No, it's fine.
It looks like it should be making around like -9 or -8, and it was making about -5 psi in pressure. It never goes to 10 anymore, but -10.
Well, you also have to think there's, you know, different compression, different cam, you know?
Yeah, it is flowing.
You might want to reach out to who did the tune? Triple Edge?
Triple Edge.
Maybe
you
ask
know
him.
What? I think it was also kind of like vibrating a lot more, but I think that's just because it was on jack stands, not on its wheels.
Yeah.
So, because that was a problem.
To me, everything sounded fine.
Yeah, it sounds good.
It sounds definitely not the way it did, but I think that's...
Yeah.
It's a different engine.
Yeah.
Well, more or less, but they're going to sound the same. The cam is what's going to sound different.
So,
And the
oh,
lifter.
wait.
Vibration compression can change.
The I mean, the water pump was going. I don't see any leaks on that. That's good. I didn't see any water leaks anywhere.
No.
We just got to check, you know, pretty much everything. I mean, I didn't see any fuel come out anywhere. No leaks anywhere. That was really cool seeing it idle. All our work has come to fruition, but we haven't seen if it'll move the... That's why I'm saying put it in drive and just see if it'll turn the wheels.
Well, you gotta have trans foot.
Well, he's got, you know, 3 quarts in there.
No.
I did it with my Mustang. When I fired up my Mustang before I put everything in it, it moved forward and backwards on its own. It's not going to hurt anything to try it.
Well, we know what your Mustang has been through, and no, but in all seriousness, I think I'm happy waiting.
Okay. Well, let's
But it started.
let's not touch it. Let's just button some other things up. But it did start, guys. That was some tremendous progress.
Put the wheels on, get it the fuck out.
We need to.
The hood can go on now.
We need. Well,
permanently.
no.
No.
We
We
need-
until everything else is done under.
Yeah. So let's let the JB Weld cure on it. I actually don't know if I told you guys. I need to charge the battery of the GoPro first, and I'll explain it. But it started, boys. All right, guys, we're back. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about with the crack in the cover. Basically, this cover right here, where the transmission mount is and everything, not the oil pan cover, but this cover, there is a hairline crack. Right there you can see we got some JB Weld. You won't be able to see the crack. I might be able to get a photo from Tristan. It was just a hairline crack up there. We think we over torqued one of the bolts going into the pan, so we cleaned it as best we could. Really paid attention to the cleaning process because we don't want to have to take it out. It would be really hard to do that. So we did use this JB Weld and got the best we could. This stuff, I guess, is really strong. So
It's apparently their toughest stuff that JB Weld makes, up to 55,000 psi. I was gonna say 5,200. That was a lie.
yeah, you just mix them together.
5,020.
Mix them together and then apply it.
I'm gonna put a little bit more over the
Yeah.
over that, just to try and maybe get it to bond even better. And but I'm just gonna put a light coat because it was already kind of thick, and then yeet it.
And then here, show him your remote start. His remote start still works.
Yes.
There it goes. Nice. It works.
Oh, she's going wild.
Oh, she's not turning up. And then Tristan also has gotten these brake calipers all cleaned up, rust-free, and sanded down and painted, and they actually look really good. I don't know how well they show up on camera, but they look pretty nice. And he's got some new Stop Tech rotors, or what are they? New centric. They're basically just slotted and what's it called? Drilled or yeah.
I'll tell you what, those were some EA specials though.
Here, grab it. Yep, so there they are. Primo. And they're 13, 14 inches.
Yeah, they're 13.7.
So yeah, we're just gonna let the JB Weld cure overnight. So probably not much more progress today. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you the next video.